Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's great to see all of you here today. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: the unique relationship between certain animals and their natural habitat, particularly focusing on how they consume grass, a staple in their diet, while humans cannot derive the same sustenance from it. In nature, animals such as cows, sheep, and horses have evolved specialized digestive systems that allow them to efficiently break down fibrous plant material like grass. These creatures possess complex stomachs, like the ruminants, that have 4 compartments, enabling them to ferment and extract nutrients from grass through a process called rumination. This adaptation allows them to thrive on a diet primarily made up of grasses found in their natural habitats, which often include open plains, meadows, and pastures. On the other hand, humans lack the necessary digestive adaptations to break down grass effectively. Our single-chambered stomachs are not equipped to process the cellulose found in grass, which is why we rely on a varied diet that includes fruits, vegetables, grains, and meat. This distinction highlights the incredible biodiversity of our planet, showcasing how different creatures have evolved to occupy specific ecological niches. Let's explore this topic further and uncover more about the adaptations and habitats of these remarkable animals. Humans can't eat grass like animals for several reasons related to digestion, anatomy, and physiology. 1. Lack of enzymes to break down cellulose. Grass contains cellulose, a tough carbohydrate that forms the structural component of plant cell walls. Humans lack the enzymes, like cellulase, to break down cellulose into digestible sugars. Herbivorous animals, like cows and sheep, rely on specialized microbes in their digestive systems to ferment and break down cellulose. 2. Simple digestive system. Humans have a simple stomach and a relatively short digestive tract compared to herbivores. Animals like cows and deer have complex stomachs, e.g., ruminants have 4-chambered stomachs, or enlarged cecums for digesting fibrous plant material. 3. Nutritional absorption. Even if humans could digest cellulose, grass lacks sufficient nutrients and calories to sustain us. Herbivores eat grass in large quantities and have adaptations to extract energy efficiently, but humans would struggle to meet their energy needs from grass alone. 4. Tooth and jaw adaptations. Herbivores have flat teeth designed for grinding tough plant material. Humans, while omnivores, have a mix of teeth suited for eating a wide variety of foods, not specifically grass. 5. Grass toxins. Some types of grass contain silica or other compounds that can be abrasive or toxic over time. Herbivores have evolved to tolerate or neutralize these, but humans have not. In summary, our digestive system and nutritional needs are not suited for eating grass, so it remains a food source primarily for herbivorous animals. Our digestive systems are optimized for a varied diet, but not for breaking down tough, fibrous plants like grass. Evolution shaped us to be omnivores, so we thrive on a mix of proteins, fats, fruits, and vegetables that are easier to digest and more nutrient-dense. Animals that rely on grass have specialized systems designed specifically for that challenge, something we simply don't have. Humans cannot eat or digest grass effectively due to several biological and physiological limitations. 1. Cellulose digestion. Grass is primarily composed of cellulose, a tough carbohydrate that forms the structure of plant cell walls. Humans lack the necessary enzymes, like cellulase, to break down cellulose into usable sugars. While some gut bacteria in humans can partially digest cellulose, this process is inefficient and cannot provide enough nutrients to sustain us. 2. Specialized stomachs. Herbivores like cows and sheep have multi-chambered stomachs, such as a rumen, that are designed for fermenting and breaking down grass. These stomachs host specific microbes that aid in digesting cellulose and extracting nutrients through fermentation. Humans have a single-chambered stomach, which is not suitable for such processes. 3. Chewing adaptations. Grass contains silica, an abrasive substance that can wear down teeth quickly. Grazing animals have teeth that continuously grow or regenerate to counteract this wear. Human teeth are not adapted for prolonged grinding of fibrous plant materials. 4. Nutritional value. Even if humans could digest grass, its nutrient content is not balanced for our dietary needs. Grass is low in essential nutrients like fats, proteins, and certain vitamins, which are vital for human health. These factors make grass an unsuitable food source for humans, even though our ancient ancestors may have consumed grass-like plants during environmental shifts millions of years ago when other food sources were scarce. It truly is remarkable. The diversity in diets and digestive systems among animals and humans highlights how evolution has finely tuned each species to survive in its environment. For instance, herbivores like cows have evolved to thrive on grass through complex, multi-chambered stomachs and symbiotic microbes that extract energy from cellulose. Humans, as omnivores, evolved with a more generalized digestive system, allowing us to eat a wide range of foods, including cooked meats and plant-based items, which helped us adapt to varied environments. This specialization in animals reflects the intricate balance between diet, anatomy, and ecological roles. It's a fascinating testament to the adaptability of life. If you'd like to dive deeper into specific adaptations of other animals, feel free to ask. Yes, there are several foods that animals can eat but are harmful or indigestible for humans due to differences in physiology and metabolism. Here are some examples. 1. Raw meat, as eaten by carnivores. Many carnivores, like lions or wolves, can consume raw meat, including bones, without issues because of their strong stomach acid and resistance to pathogens like Salmonella or E. coli. Humans, however, are at significant risk of foodborne illnesses from eating raw or undercooked meat. 2. Toxic plants. Avocado leaves and pits are safe for animals like goats but toxic to humans due to the compound persin. Similarly, koalas eat eucalyptus leaves, which are highly toxic to humans because of their concentrated essential oils. 3. Rotten or decayed food. Scavengers like vultures can eat decaying meat filled with bacteria because of their highly acidic stomachs that kill harmful microbes. Humans would suffer severe food poisoning. 4. Certain types of fish. Some fish like the pufferfish contain tetrodotoxin, which is lethal to humans but can be tolerated by certain animals that have evolved resistance. 5. Hard seeds or nuts. Animals like squirrels can eat raw acorns, which are high in tannins and toxic to humans unless processed, soaked and boiled, to remove the bitter compounds. 6. Grass and foliage. As we discussed, herbivores like cows can eat and digest grass due to their specialized stomachs and microbes, but humans cannot. 7. Raw potatoes. Some animals can digest raw potatoes, but humans may experience nausea or even poisoning from solanine, a compound found in the skin and sprouts of raw potatoes. These examples illustrate how specific evolutionary traits, like digestive enzymes, stomach acidity, or microbial flora, enable animals to consume foods that would be harmful or indigestible for humans. Absolutely. Animals are fascinating in how they've adapted to eat a wide variety of foods that humans can't tolerate. These abilities often reflect their evolutionary history and ecological roles. Cows and ruminants, turning grass and hay into energy with specialized, multi-chambered stomachs. Birds like vultures, consuming carrion that would make humans severely ill, thanks to incredibly acidic stomachs that kill dangerous pathogens. Koalas, surviving on eucalyptus, a toxic plant to most other creatures, because of specialized liver enzymes. Pandas, digesting bamboo, which is nutrient-poor and fibrous, due to their powerful jaws and unique gut microbiome. It's a great reminder of nature's ingenuity in creating so many ways for species to survive and thrive. If you're interested in exploring more of these adaptations, let me know. Animals display incredible eating-related abilities beyond just tolerating unusual foods. Here are some surprising examples. 1. Bone-eating, osteophagy. Hyenas have incredibly strong jaws and stomachs that allow them to crush and digest bones, extracting nutrients like calcium and marrow that most animals, including humans, cannot access. 2. Venom consumption. Some snakes, like king cobras, can eat other venomous snakes without being affected by the venom. Their bodies have developed resistance or immunity to certain toxins. 3. Consuming poisonous animals. Horned lizards eat venomous ants, neutralizing the venom through specialized enzymes in their stomachs. Similarly, rough-skinned newts are eaten by certain garter snakes, which have evolved resistance to the toxin tetrodotoxin. 4. Self-digestion prevention. Starfish can push their stomachs out of their bodies to digest prey externally, then pull the stomach back in once the meal is partially digested. 5. Wood-eating, xylophagy. Termites and some shipworms digest wood thanks to symbiotic microbes that break down cellulose and lignin into usable energy. Humans would find this completely indigestible. 6. Metal and stone ingestion. Birds like chickens and ostriches swallow small stones, gastroliths, to help grind food in their gizzards, aiding in digestion. Humans lack this adaptation. 7. Feeding without a mouth. Sea sponges filter tiny particles from water using specialized cells, feeding passively without a digestive tract. 8. Cold digestion adaptations. Penguins can eat cold, raw fish in sub-zero temperatures because of enzymes that remain active at low temperatures, unlike human digestive enzymes. These abilities highlight the sheer diversity of evolutionary solutions animals have developed to exploit their environments. Each adaptation is a perfect example of nature's creativity in survival. Let me know if you'd like to explore any of these further. In the video, we explored the fascinating topic of how certain animals can consume grass, while humans cannot efficiently digest it. We discussed 1. Digestive anatomy. Many herbivores, like cows and horses, have specialized stomachs and enzymes that allow them to break down tough plant fibers, whereas humans lack these adaptations. 2. Ruminating animals. We highlighted ruminants and their unique digestive processes, including rumination that helps them extract nutrients from grass effectively. 3. Human nutritional needs. We touched on the nutritional requirements of humans and how our diets differ significantly from those of grass-eating animals. 4. Ecological role. The importance of herbivores in ecosystems and their role in promoting plant growth and maintaining ecological balance. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts and experiences related to the topic in the comments below. Have you ever wondered why we can't eat grass like some animals? If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging content. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.